Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair these Lenovo earbuds to your Android device. Okay, so first of all you have to be sure that you charge your device. At the bottom you can find the USB-C input for the cable, and be sure that you input them inside. After that you can just simply open the case and take them out of this case. On the left earbud you will find the indicator. It will blink on the blue and the white quickly. It means that right now our device is in the pairing mode. It's visible, it's automatically in the pairing mode when you take it off. Open the Bluetooth settings on your phone, tap on the switcher, and then find on the available devices list your Lenovo earbuds. Tap on it once, accept the pairing request, and as you can see, there it is. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.